Look how good this lettuce is doing. And then even in this raised area, the red romaine, doing really good. Pick some of the outer leaves, which will give room to the little guys. It seems a little crowded in here. I have mowed them all down in the past. Just chopped them right down and they grew back. So I'm not worried about over harvesting. That's the black-seeded Simpson. Here is the Paris Island. I still don't see any damage from the bunny. And I still see the bunny around town. Here's some spinach. Not much to harvest here, just a little bit. And over here, kale, it stays. Okay, Swiss chard's not ready yet, but soon. I do have some kale in the stacking containers on the patio. Did I tell you I have a tester basil out? Tonight will be its second night out. Not too bad. And it wouldn't be a salad harvest if I didn't get some onions. So I have here the Egyptian walking onions. I like green onions. I'll leave that one. Take this one here. Very strong. Okay, chop that up for the salad too. Last night and tonight's gonna get into the 40s. You can see I was doing some work here, getting rid of some old soil, potting mix. But look at this kale, doing great here. Let's take a couple of those. We don't like too much kale in a salad, but we like a lot in our smoothies. Okay, little lettuce harvest. My first salad harvest. Bon appetit.